Well, here we are at the Tasmanian devil enclosure, and one of the most iconic species we have here at Featherdale Sydney Wildlife Park. Now, the Tasmanian devil is the largest living carnivorous marsupial, once found all over the continent, but believed to have been pushed out primarily by the dingo and isolated into Tasmania. Now, since being in Tasmania, there were hundreds of years of flourishing until very recently their numbers have dwindled significantly because of a devil facial tumour disease that was found only in this species. Now, thankfully, captive wildlife parks around the country, including Featherdale, have done everything they can to try to save the species. What the goal has been is to basically have a saviour population of captive Tasmanian devils that once we've worked out what this disease actually is, or hopefully wipe it out, they can be returned back to the wild. So our main concern at the moment is keeping really strong genetics and the biggest number possible. Here at Featherdale, we're lucky to have 2 Tasmanian devils, and they are great displays. You'll always see them laying about in the sun, or if you're here at the right time of day, even eating, and it's a sight to be seen. Now, the name devil actually, it conjures such emotion, basically because of how ferocious they can be. If you shine a torch on them in the night time, you'll get these huge red ears that could almost look like horns, this impressive mouthful of canine teeth, and the noise that they make, it's blood-curdling. But they're such a small animal in comparison. They truly are very secretive. Most of the time they'll spend by themselves, but what's really fascinating to see is when they come together over a large food item and they communally feed. There's so much noise, so much activity, and it looks pretty ferocious.